Hello guys and welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to always upload HD high quality videos and photos on WhatsApp. Okay, first thing that we need to do is of course open the WhatsApp. Here, click on these three dots in the top right corner. Go to settings. Here, if you scroll down, you can see storage and data. Click on that. Now that we are here, go to media upload quality, located at the center of the screen. And as you can see, here is a standard quality and HD quality. My preference is to always send everything in HD quality because it is, better, but you can do whatever you want. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please subscribe, and until next one, I wish you all the best. Bye.